Okay, in this video, I'm going to create a reusable component of the text field, input text field. Okay, so class input text field extends stateless widget. Okay, so as per this screen, I'm going to create a reusable component for the text field. So here is prefix, icon, and hint text, right? So let's create a input text field. For the input text field, what is the required thing? Controller, validation, hint text, prefix widget. Okay, prefix text. Yeah, obscure text suffix. Right? Is obscure or not? Okay. Yes. Final into text, texted controller. Next, keyboard type if required. If is required, we can pass the keyboard type also. Is obscure text or not? Okay, let's create a constant input constructor. Okay, so inside the constructor, required hint text is required, right? Tested count required. The keyboard type is defaultly text. Initial obscure is false. Clear? Still issue. Yeah, I'm going to add. Okay, override this one. And next one is final, final with get prefix, right? And suffix. Next, validator. Next, on change not required, right? Yeah. Next. So input formatters also. We'll add input formatters also. Yes, is read only also. Okay. Final goal read only, right? So read only initially false. Okay. And what is left here? Yeah. Validator, right? Validator is not required, right? This dot, sorry, comma, prefix icon, suffix icon. Okay. And next, input parameters. Okay. What is the use of input parameter is to based on the input parameter, keyboard will allow. Okay. So any requirement, maybe its name only consider the alphabetical. It's not allowed the numbers. We can pass the input parameters, right? So that is also will pass the input parameter. Okay. Input parameter is list of like this. Okay. Text input parameter. Okay. So anything else is pending? Hmm? Next. Anything is missing? One thing is missing. No. On change of the prefix, password visibility, and hide and also off, right? Right. That is also we need to pass from here. Unless we can write a logic in the login screen only, not required to implement here. Okay. Now let's create the input text field. Why the scaffold is not required here? Okay. This is a reusable component. Okay. Anything else? Okay, so we pass the controller, keyboard type, obscure text, read only, input formatter, int text, prefix icon, suffix icon, border also. So here one thing is the field is there. Okay, 1 second. One second. That is in the decoration. Now you can see validator is missing, right? Oh, we done the validation also. Now in this, the color is filled, right? Inside the text. So we'll pass the filled color also. Okay. Filled, yes, true. Okay, default true. Okay. And filled color is this color. Okay. Let's get a color from the Figma. Click on this color. Okay. Now you can see the frame here. Okay. In this, where is that? This is a frame, right? Outside of the frame. It is the color. This color only. I think it should. It's a gray. This color, right? Okay. So go to the color constant, right? Color constants and write a name static text fill color, right? Text 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 form fill color. That input text fill color. Okay. Input text fill color. Okay. So color, right? This color will assign to here. Okay. Where is this? This one, right? Color constants. Now it's clear. Okay. So we created that. Let's use this text field in the already we created in the login from. We can test the in the login screen only. Login, login screen. So here let's use what is the class name? Input text field widget, right? In text is email and text control we have to pass from the text state controller. For example, okay, whatever it is. For now, I'm testing the component. Okay. For now, I'm testing the component. It's working or not. Okay. 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 Clear? Huh? So filled here, but not required the border, right? This requirement not required a border. Let's remove the border now. Clear? But underline is there, right? We need to remove the underline. Okay. So we remove the border. We not required a border, but so border is we'll put a none. Now we can see the output here, right? Clear? Huh? Okay. As per this design, text field similar like this, but color is not matched. Let's change the color. Okay. Okay, let's remove later. Okay, so add some padding to the text field. Okay, let's give the margin. Margin is outside, right? We don't have property of the margin here. And one thing is forget that max line. Okay, so initially the int max length lines. Okay, so initially the max length, sorry, max line, max lines initially there are one. Okay, so that's why the text is entered only one line. But if you want to enter the multiple lines, for example, description, you want to add a description. In that case, we can use the max. We can pass the max line also. Okay, So initially we create a max line 1. Okay. So wherever you want, we can pass the number from there. Okay. So and let's add a padding. It's small padding. Only symmetric. Horizontal will add horizontal on 20. Okay. Yes. So it's okay, right? If you enter this, the hint text is available here. Now we created the text field. So if you want the suffix, we can pass the suffix also. Go to the login screen. Okay. Prefix icon, for example. Okay. So icon.email, for example. Wait, it's getting your okay. Icons equal to uh, okay. So because of this is a constant value, the compilation time we assign the value, right? So we can put a constant. Now see, okay. So this is the input text field reusable component.